My experience investing in cryptocurrency has taught me one thing. Most investors buy but don't know when to take out profit. They have no strategy to cash out their profit. They're going to watch their account pump and dump. And at one point, they're going to say to themselves, oh, maybe I have bad luck. But it's not bad luck. I think it's based on your mindset. You're greedy. But today's video, I want us to look at TRB. Those of you who are TRB fans out there, you bought these amazing coins and you are wondering if say this is the right time to buy more or maybe to cash out profit. So I want us to analyze TRB to see where price is at this point in time and see where price might go. And also, I'm going to help you guys to not only apply this knowledge on TRP, but you can apply the same knowledge to any coin you are investing out there. I'm going to use mostly the alpha trend and the trendillo to do this analysis and show you guys different zones where TRB might get to and also possible areas where you can cash out profit. Of course, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm just someone who knows nothing, yeah, on the internet trying to educate you out there. Of course, I know something, but I'm just trying to make you to understand that you should be able to do your own research before you can, make any decision out there. What I do here is for educational purpose only. Don't take it as a financial advice. Having said all that good stuff, let's dive and experience what is going on with TRB at this point in time. Look at this pump. If we go to like the 4 hours time frame, we're gonna see the pump here on the 4 hours time frame. You see price has moved tremendously to the upside. This bad boy has been on fire. It has moved so like tremendously from 40 dollars to up to about $43 or $46. Now, there are some key areas here that I want you to pay attention to, and these key areas are going to help you to know when to cash out profit and when to buy back again. Now, we are on the daily time frame on TRB. And you can see I have here my alpha trend and trendillo. Trendillo is this RSI Bollinger Band indicator, and what it does is gives you momentum in the market when price is oversold and overbought, and also gives you area where you can start placing an entry, or thinking to buy any project out there that you are investing. After TRB coin pumped to the upside, we saw that the alpha trend printed a sell signal here, and after that, we can see that the alpha trend has printed a buy signal, and immediately the alpha trend printed a buy signal. We saw price plunge right up this area here. Now, looking at this zone here, what are you seeing here? This is an area that price has traded many times. So there should be a strong resistance or support here that price should come and retest or price should be holding. But you can see that price break this area like that. And price didn't actually create a new high from this area here. You can see this previous area, price attempted to break this zone, so price couldn't. And when price couldn't, we saw price keep dipping again. Now price has come back to that area. That area was around 20th of February 2024, and now price is back there. So looking at this area now, what I think we should expect for price, is price should at least to an extent come right down to around $91. Why I say so? I say so because $91 is in this same range where price has been moving before, sideways before we saw the spike. You can see this zone here has been an area where price was moving. So we should expect CRB to be trading inside this range, from where it is before we can see a breakout back to maybe around this area where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. This is around $209, and maybe go and recover all of these candles here, these green candles that is like a vector candle. Go and recover all these candles, and this is going to be around $260. So looking at price action right now, I'll say that we should expect some sort of reversal back. Why? Because you can see that the trendillo has printed this green zone here, and whenever this green zone is printed, we should expect price to reverse somehow and reset back to the oversold area. Now we are at the overbought area, so we should expect price to move and reset back to the oversold area, and this might be in this range. So price can keep moving in this range until price reset, and if price reset in this range, comes towards this oversold area, then you want to start thinking of maybe getting involved again. Let me give you one strategy that I mentioned. I'm going to give you that you can apply to any coin out there. This red zone that you see printed here, this could be a zone where you DCA. So you say to yourself, whenever you see this red zone, you DCA, and whenever you see this green zone, which is the overbought area, you sell and cash out profit. So yeah, you would have bought, and yeah, you would have sold. So if say you watch my full video on how to use the Trendilo and Alpha Trend to trade, you're gonna get more value. So this video, go and watch it. There I explain more lengthy stuff on how you can use the Alpha Trend and Trendilo to make profits in the market. So looking at this range here, I would say that if say price is already at this zone and price is behaving this way at this area which price has traded in the past multiple times, you can see there's strong resistance and support here. So I think whenever you see price in such a zone, then you should cash out profit, at least leave in what you invested. And if say price gets back down here, good and fine, you're gonna buy TRB cheaper. And the reason why you're going to be doing this is because this project is not just a one-time project. I think this project is a long-term project. They have a team that they keep building non-stop. You can see here on Twitter, the team are active on Twitter X. Let me refresh this page so we can see what is going on here with the team. They have weekly dev calls that they discuss certain stuff going on with the project. They do this call, I think, every week to talk about what is going on with the project, what the devs are doing, how they're building more utilities, expanding the network. I think, like, if say you are investing in a project and you see something like this that the team keep updating, what is going on with the project, you should trust the project long term. And if say the team stop building and they're not able to meet up with what they promised, then that's when you can decide to dump the project and move to something else. For now, I think this project still have more upside. And if say you are trading this project to make more Bitcoin, which is what you should do, then by now you should have sold this coin already, and cash out some profit, get into Bitcoin, wait to see what price is going to do. Look at this area. Whenever price break a particular zone, price must come and retest it. Like, for example, if say price break is resistance, price must come back and retest that resistance. And if say price break support area, price must come back and retest that support area at one point in time before price keep moving back to the downside or to the upside. Now, looking at this area, I will tell you that be cautious. No one has ever gone broke taking out profit. So taking out some profit right now is gonna be good for you. Don't be that person who is gonna say to themselves, "Oh, I wish I took out profit." Be that person who is gonna take out profit, and when price move to the opposite direction, they can either keep taking out more profit or buy more. I want to believe this video is an eye opener to you who is investing in TRB coin. Look at price action, look at where price is, look at what price have done, and apply this same strategy looking at Trendilo, Alpha Trend, where it printed a buy signal, a sell signal. When the Trendilo is at the oversold area, the overbought area, look at what price has done before. And if say you want to get this indicator, this is what you have to do. It's simple, it's free of charge. Just go to TradingView and click on the indicators section. Search for Trendilo. This is the first one, Trendilo open source. This is it. And you can also get the Alpha Trend. All of these indicators are free and they are momentum indicators. Gonna help you a lot to eliminate the noise out there and make a lot of profits in the market. Remember what I mentioned, you can start DCA this project. Like, when price have pumped like this and you cash out profit, you should wait, be patient. When you are patient in this market, it doesn't matter how far price is, price will come back to your advantage and you can take advantage of it and make profit instantly, than to buy a project when price is not to your favor. At one point you see price dumping on you and you keep thinking maybe price is going to come back to where you bought it. So you would have been buying this coin here when you saw this, this red zone here. Bought it more, you bought more. So you would have bought this coin 3 times. And if price would have get back to this zone, you would have been in more profit. So let's say you follow this strategy and you bought it here. and price came down, you bought it, yeah, thinking that maybe price is gonna move back to the upside, and price didn't move to the upside, price keep dipping and you keep buying more, and now price get back to where you bought it. Look at the gains that you would have gotten. So you would have gotten this coin cheaper at $40. Yeah, it was about $100 or $118. So you can see the gains you would have made just DCAing, applying this strategy. Guys, I'm someone who always love to share with you guys the things you need to do to become successful in the crypto space. There are lots of indicators out there, and if say you are able to stumble on one that you understand and you can make some profit with it, then stick with that one and keep learning on how to do it. If say you want to use this indicator, I just showed you how you can get it to your trading view. If this video was helpful to you and you want to keep creating more of such videos, you know what to do. Go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. Having said all this good stuff, see you in the next video. Bye bye.